Hey, it's Son of a Gun 556 here. This is my dad's new Glock 21. We just purchased this today, and I'm going to do a little unboxing for you. It's been in the military for 26 years now. Now, he got the military discount type thing, so it's $500 and it comes with 3 magazines. First, we're going to check that it's unloaded. Now it comes with speed loader, 1, 2, 3 magazines, a bore brush, a little guide rod that you can put a cleaning swab in for, and crappy gun lock. And then in the top here, there's like a document storage compartment. I think these are like shells that they test fired. This is the receipt. Important safeguards. User's manual. A warning. What's this? Some warranty card or something. Join the NRA. Team Glock. Some firearm safety rules. That's pretty much it. So you can probably break into this and see what it's like. 2 steel cased rounds that they fired out of that to test fire it or something. Put those to the side. Now this is the Glock 21 3rd generation. It's in .45 caliber. It does not have any safety on it though. This is all stock, we just got it and everything. And my dad wanted a holster, so I showed him this good Black Hawk one. It's called the Serpa holster, and it includes a paddle and a belt loop type thing. And the gun fits snugly in there. And then when you want to pull it out, instead of yanking it like most other ones, you put your hand here and then you press that, and then your finger is already to go right there to the trigger. Has a really nice lockup. You can adjust the tension on pulling it out right there. It has angle adjustments right there, so you can twist it and stuff. You can also buy a molly thing so you can wear it on a vest. This is a really good holster. It runs $40 to $50. The case is pretty good. Probably take off that big warning sticker. It says Glock with the big G and stuff. And so far, the only problem he has with it is the no safety there, since he carries around in the chamber. Just to let you bad guys know. Yeah, that's it.